Are you new to tapping? Tapping is a very useful tool for dissolving negative emotions and limiting beliefs. This video is designed to familiarize you with the basic mechanics of the tapping process. Tapping is simple and easy to learn. The basic method consists of tapping on a series of acupuncture points while reciting a statement describing the problem or the limiting belief. Here are the points on which you're going to tap in order from first to last. The first point is the karate chop point. The karate chop point is located on the knife edge of the hand, right where you would perform a karate chop. The eyebrow point is located at the beginning of the eyebrow, where the nose meets the forehead. The side of the eye point is located on the bony outer edge of the eye socket. The under the eye point is located on the bony lower part of the eye socket, directly below the center of the eye. The under the nose point is located about 1/2 inch below the nose in the center of the upper lip. The chin point is located about 1 inch below the lower lip in the center of the chin. The collarbone point is located at the union of the collarbones, where they come together at the base of the throat. The under the arm point is located about 4 inches below the center of the armpit. The top of the head point is located at the top of your head. You tap this point with your entire open hand. Here are the tapping steps. To begin the tapping process, first hone into the fear or limiting belief that needs to be released. Your Antakrana session will help you do this and will automatically provide you with your tapping statement. In this demonstration, we assume Antakrana has given you the coaching statement, "I can commit to creating fulfillment." Begin by repeating the statement to yourself, "I can commit to creating fulfillment." Now rate how much you believe this statement from 1 to 10, where 1 means it feels true and you are confident about the statement, and 10 means it feels false and you are doubtful about the statement. Now take a moment to tune into your feelings about this statement. What number did you rate it? Now you are ready to begin the actual tapping process. Begin the tapping process by tapping on the karate chop point, which is located on the knife edge of your opposite hand. Tap gently but firmly, using about the same amount of pressure you would use to drum your fingers on a tabletop. Tap on the karate chop while reciting the entire setup statement. Even though I have this fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment, I deeply and completely accept myself.
Even though I have this fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment, I deeply and completely accept myself.
Next, tap the eyebrow point while reciting your reminder phrase, "This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment." You will use just this reminder phrase for the remainder of the tapping points.
This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
Now tap the side of the eye point while repeating your reminder phrase, "This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment."
This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
Now tap under your eye while repeating, "This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment."
This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
Now tap under the nose while repeating your reminder phrase again, "This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment."
This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
Now tap under the lip on the chin point while repeating your reminder phrase again, "This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment."
This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
Now tap the collarbone point at the union of the collarbones while repeating again, "This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment."
This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
Now tap under your arm while repeating again, "This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
Now tap at the top of your head while repeating again, this fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
This fear that I can't commit to creating fulfillment.
At this point, you have now completed one round of tapping. Now it's time once again to rate how you feel about your statement. How do you feel now about the statement, I can commit to creating fulfillment? Again, rate how much you believe this statement from 1 to 10, where 1 means you are very confident about the statement and 10 means you are extremely doubtful about the statement. Take a moment to tune into your feelings. What number did you rate it? With each round of tapping, you should notice a subtle shift of feeling lighter and more comfortable with your coaching statement. If you feel more uncomfortable, it is because you are getting in touch with your deeper and more buried feelings. If you rated your statement 2 or higher, you may want to rewind this video and repeat the tapping exercise until you are completely comfortable with this statement. Tapping is an energy healing process that works on deep levels of your subconscious mind. It may take a few days or even up to a week to notice the full effects of a tapping session.